Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of our Mercedes-Benz air suspension series, we'll show you how to fix these issues and keep your ride smooth. Identifying symptoms of air suspension failure. Recognizing the early signs of air suspension trouble can save you from more extensive repairs down the road. If you own a Mercedes-Benz, paying attention to how your car rides and sits can help you catch problems before they worsen. Here are some key indicators telling you your air suspension might need attention. Uneven vehicle stance or sagging. One of the most obvious signs something is wrong is when your Mercedes-Benz isn't sitting level. Have you ever noticed one corner of your car looking lower than the others? Or maybe the entire vehicle seems to be unusually close to the ground, especially after being parked overnight? This, leaning, or sagging, means your air springs are likely losing pressure. Air springs are designed to maintain a consistent height, so any deviation stands out. Excessive bounciness or harsh ride. Your Mercedes-Benz is known for its smooth, comfortable ride. If this comfort suddenly disappears, your air suspension might be failing. A common symptom is a feeling of excessive bounciness when going over bumps or dips. The car might feel like a boat, swaying excessively after hitting uneven terrain. Conversely, some failures can lead to an unusually harsh or stiff ride, as if the suspension is locked up and not absorbing any shocks. Both scenarios indicate the system is no longer adapting as it should. Warning lights and messages on dashboard. Modern Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with sophisticated diagnostic systems. When an issue arises with the air suspension, your car will often let you know through dashboard warnings. Keep an eye out for specific messages like Airmatic Visit Workshop, Malfunction Air Suspension, a general suspension warning light, often an illuminated symbol of a car with arrows pointing up and down. These lights and messages are not just suggestions. They are direct calls to action. Ignoring them can lead to more severe damage. Audible noises, hissing, pumping, grinding. Your senses can also play a role in diagnosing air suspension problems. Listen for unusual sounds coming from your vehicle. A hissing noise when the car is parked or when it's trying to adjust its height often signals an air leak in one of the air springs or lines. You might also hear the air compressor running constantly or sounding louder and more strained than usual. This means it's working overtime to compensate for lost air pressure. In some cases, a grinding noise could point to a failing compressor or other mechanical issue within the system. Preventative maintenance and longevity tips. Keeping your Mercedes-Benz air suspension in top shape means you need to take some preventative steps. Regular care can help you avoid major issues and extend the life of these complex systems. Small actions today can prevent big repair bills tomorrow. You want your ride to stay smooth for years to come. Regular inspections and cleaning. Think of your air suspension like any high-performance part of your car. It needs regular checkups. Take a few minutes to visually inspect your air springs and surrounding components. Look for any visible signs of cracking, tears, or unusual wear. Are there any greasy spots or damp areas that could point to a fluid leak? Small leaks can quickly grow into big problems. Also, don't forget the importance of cleaning. Dirt, salt, and road debris can build up on air suspension parts. This buildup can damage seals, hoses, and even the air springs themselves. A simple wash underneath your car, especially after driving on dirty or salty roads, goes a long way. Keeping things clean helps prevent premature wear and corrosion, protecting your investment. Addressing small leaks promptly. Even a tiny air leak in your system can cause significant stress. It forces your air suspension compressor to work much harder and for longer periods. Imagine constantly inflating a slow leaking tire. Eventually, the pump will burn out. The same applies to your Mercedes-Benz compressor. If you hear a hissing sound or notice your vehicle sagging slightly overnight, act fast. Ignoring these early signs of a minor leak puts immense strain on the compressor, leading to its early failure. Replacing a compressor is far more expensive than fixing a small leak. Catching and repairing these small leaks quickly protects the entire system. Driving habits and load management. How you drive and what you carry in your Mercedes-Benz directly impacts your air suspension. These systems are designed to handle specific loads. Overloading your vehicle puts excessive pressure on the air springs and compressor. Always check your car's maximum load capacity in the owner's manual before loading up for a trip. Additionally, be mindful of road conditions. Driving cautiously over potholes, speed bumps, and rough terrain helps. Slowing down and avoiding harsh impacts minimizes sudden stress on the suspension components. Sharp impacts can damage air springs or even bend level sensors. Gentle driving reduces wear and tear, ensuring your air suspension lasts longer. Considering professional diagnostics, the air suspension system in a Mercedes-Benz is incredibly sophisticated. It's not a simple DIY repair for most owners. When you notice any symptoms of a problem, or if your dashboard shows a warning light, it's best to seek expert help. A qualified Mercedes-Benz specialist has the right diagnostic tools and specialized knowledge. They can accurately pinpoint the root cause of an issue. This prevents you from replacing parts unnecessarily. Professional diagnosis ensures the correct repair is made, saving you time and money in the long run. Trusting certified technicians with your air suspension keeps your vehicle running its best. Addressing Mercedes-Benz air suspension issues quickly protects your vehicle's performance. Prompt diagnosis and repair maintain the smooth ride and handling these cars are known for. Ignoring a sag or a warning light can lead to more extensive damage and higher repair costs. Staying proactive with maintenance extends the life of your air suspension system. Regular checks and addressing small concerns early keep your Mercedes-Benz driving as it should. Share this video with other Mercedes-Benz owners to help them keep their rides smooth and problem-free. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.